tomato plus potato juice plus honey mixture. This powerful combo will help you whiten the dark skin on inner thighs. This remedy is very useful for persistent dark spots. Here's what you need to do. Mix 1 tablespoon tomato juice, 1 tablespoon potato juice and 1 teaspoon of honey. Rub this mixture on your dark thighs, gently. Leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes, before washing it off with warm water. Lemon juice plus cucumber plus sandalwood. Did you know that sandalwood and cucumber work well as natural cooling agents, which can soothe the tender skin on your thighs? Here's what you need to do. Mix 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder, lemon juice 1/2 lemon and grated cucumber. Apply this mixture on the affected area and leave it on until it dries off. After that you need to wash it off and apply some coconut oil. Almond oil plus aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is awesome. It will help you reduce the inflammation and repair your skin quickly. It's useful for all skin types. Almond oil is loaded with vitamin E, which means that it will help you lighten the dark skin on inner thighs. Here's what you need to do. Mix a few drops of almond oil and 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Apply this mixture on the affected area and wash it off when it starts becoming sticky. Honey plus sugar plus lemon mixture. How this works? Well, sugar will exfoliate the skin and remove any dead skin that might be present. Honey will moisturize the skin, and lemon will help you reduce the dark pigmentation. Here's what you need to do. Just mix 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey and lemon juice 1/2 lemon. Apply this mixture on the affected area. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then you need to wash it off with warm water. Honey plus orange peels. Orange peels are very useful for this aesthetic problem because they contain vitamin C that works as a natural bleaching agent. Here's what you need to do. Grate a half orange peel into 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix well and apply this mixture on the affected area. Leave it on for 15 minutes and then you need to wash it off with warm water. Other useful remedies. You can always add lemon oil when you're taking a warm bath. You can also use bathing soaps or scrubs that contain the licorice essential oil. Or, you can add this essential oil to your bath water. Apply ACV on the affected area and let it dry. Or, you can mix ACV and baking soda. Apply this mixture, leave it on for 20 minutes and then you need to wash it off with warm water. Useful tips to prevent the dark skin on inner thighs. You should stop wearing tight clothes, especially those made from synthetic fibers, because they will darken the skin on your inner thighs. Lose weight. You can always apply Vaseline jelly to reduce the discomfort of rubbing thigh skin. Consume fruits and vegetables, and drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. According to the experts, green leafy vegetables and fruits such as berries, oranges have antioxidants that are good for reducing discoloration of your skin.